connected.
Lex here with Sena, and this is the Nautitalk Bosun. This headset was designed to help you stay connected when you're sailing, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding. If you're a sailor, Nautitalk Bosun will help you coordinate technical operations like mooring a vessel. And if you're a competitive sailor into doing regattas and racing, you'll find that the Nautitalk Bosun can give you a competitive advantage during critical moments when communication between the skipper and the crew is very important, like when it comes time to hoisting or furling the jib during a race. Just so you know, this video is organized into chapters, so if you're looking for specific information, check out the time codes in the description below. The Nautitalk Bosun has an over-the-ear and around-the-neck design. These loops here are for this strap, which helps create a very secure fit while you're out at sea. Let's talk about this piece. It's the foam buoy. This allows the Nautitalk to stay afloat if it ever drops into the water. And because of its IPX7 rating, the Nautitalk Bosun can withstand any rainstorms or being in the water for up to 30 minutes without having any problems at all. So another cool feature of the Nautitalk Bosun is actually the plastic that it's made out of. It's UV resistant, so it won't degrade after seasons and seasons of being in the sun. The Nautitalk Bosun uses Sena's proprietary mesh intercom network, which, with the push of a button, allows the device to connect to all other devices in the area without needing to go through a pairing process. Like all of Sena's mesh intercom systems, the Nautitalk Bosun's intercom is hands-free, which means you don't have to push any buttons to talk. It's always open. Another thing that I really love about mesh is that it delivers superior audio quality. And simply put, this is because mesh uses a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. And that's a lot of hertz. The mesh intercom range between two users is 800 meters or half a mile. Let's talk about talk time. With a single charge, the Nautitalk Bosun allows up to 12 hours of talk time, and to recharge it, you simply use this magnetic USB power and data cable that attaches just like that. A full charge takes only 2.5 hours. So you may already know that Sena's wind noise canceling technology is rooted in the motorcycling space. So using the same technology that was developed to withstand wind speeds that are encountered by motorcyclists, the Nautitalk Bosun can easily withstand wind speeds of up to 30 knots, meaning that communication is going to be very clear between all of the crew members on the windiest of the days. The Nautitalk Bosun comes in a single pack, a dual pack option, or there's also the quad pack, which is offered in a rigid case that you can charge the devices in, or this semi-rigid case. Let's take a look at what comes in a single pack. When you take the Nautitalk Bosun out of the box, this is what it will look like. And in the box, you will find 2 spongy microphone covers, 2 floating buoys, the headband strap, magnetic charge cable, a soft carrying pouch, and a simple quick start guide. So let's go over the Nautitalk's buttons. There are 4 of them. There's the multifunction button, the mesh intercom button, and 2 volume buttons, plus and minus, to scroll through the volume. To turn the Nautitalk Bosun on, press and hold the multifunction button and the mesh button for 1 second. To scroll through the volume settings, press the plus button or the minus button to increase or decrease the volume respectively. To turn the Nautitalk Bosun off, tap the multifunction button and mesh intercom button at the same time. To enter into Bluetooth pairing mode, first press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds. You'll hear phone pairing and the LED light will blink blue and red, and then you go into your phone's Bluetooth menu, select Sena Nautitalk Bosun, and the 2 units will link together. Now let's go over how to answer and end calls. To answer an incoming call, simply tap the multifunction button once. To end a call, press the multifunction button for 2 seconds. To reject a call, press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds as well. So you can also listen to your phone's playlist with the Nautitalk Bosun, so let's take a look at the music controls. To play or pause your music, hold the multifunction button for 1 second. And to change the track, press and hold the plus button for 1 second. To activate the mesh intercom network, simply tap the mesh intercom button once. When the mesh intercom is on, that little light will flash in a green color. So if you're experiencing any interference on the mesh intercom network because other users in the area are on the same channel, you can select one of the other 8 channels. Sena's mesh network works on up to 9 channels. To do so, double tap the mesh intercom button, and then you'll enter into the channel selection mode. To scroll through the channels, press the plus button or the minus button, and then to select the channel that you choose, press the multifunction button. Here's a feature that I don't think that you're going to need to use, but let's go over it anyways, the factory reset. To do a factory reset on your Nautitalk Bosun device, press and hold the multifunction button for 10 seconds. You'll hear headset reset, goodbye, and it will be reset to the factory settings. So that's it for our Tech Talk video on the Nautitalk Bosun. If you have any questions, check out the video description where we'll leave a link where you can connect with Sena's customer support team directly, and we'll give you all the answers you're looking for. That's it. See you next time.